My name is Liz, and the name of this channel is Nothing But Bags. I call my channel Nothing But Bags because I don't really have any interest in anything else luxury related like clothing. Whenever I'm going out, my outfits are an accessory and my handbag is the main event. As you saw from the thumbnail and from the title of this video, this is going to be me. This is going to be me sharing with you my most recent addition to my handbag collection. It is the Louis Vuitton Felicie Strap and Go. So if you are one of my friends around here and you've viewed my videos before and you have seen my 2024 wish list, this year I turned 50. So my wish list is kind of a birthday / 2024 wish list. I did not mention anything about a Felicie Strap and Go. Well, there are some bags that aren't on my wish list. I'm sure other handbag people can relate to this. There's some bags that are on my list in the back of my mind. They're not necessarily wish list bags, but they're bags that if I can find them at a really good deal on a pre-loved or consignment site, or if there are bags that I get the whiff of that brand potentially discontinuing, I may purchase those bags. They may move closer into the forefront of my wish list, but they're essentially bags that I feel like I really want them. I'll get them eventually, but they're not like wish list bags, if that makes any sense at all. And I think it does to people that like bags like me. I saw this bag on the Luxe Bag Princess. And of course, I'm going to have screenshots of her YouTube channel and her Instagram page somewhere here on the screen to share with you to make sure I'm getting the name correctly. That young lady, and I say young lady because she's probably 20 or 30 years younger than me, is such a knowledgeable person when it comes to Louis Vuitton. She knows the brand. She knows the history of the bags. She knows bags that are vintage bags that are no longer offered, the value of the Louis Vuitton brand. She is someone that is extremely knowledgeable when it comes to Louis Vuitton. And she also does consignments, selling on behalf of and acquiring bags for customers. And she recently did a video where she presented this Felicie Strap and Go. And the reason it stood out to me was because I've always wanted a Felicie pochette in the monogram style. I have one in this red empreinte leather version. And I love this bag. This is one of my most used handbags. I love this bag because it is essentially, for lack of any other term, a wallet on chain offered by Louis Vuitton in the empreinte leather version. And I've carried this bag to events. I've carried this bag traveling. It is an exceptional bag. And I've always wanted one in the monogram version. And I don't know why I hadn't pulled the trigger, to be honest. I first saw the monogram version on a young lady on a television show. And when I saw it, I looked it up and like I said, I just never pulled the trigger on it. I guess because I knew it was going to be a piece that they're not going to get rid of. Louis Vuitton is going to get rid of the Felicie pochette. So I guess that's why I felt like I had time. But the Felicie Strap and Go is significantly different. I'm going to put the dimensions of this bag across the screen for you. It's significantly shorter in height and shorter in length than the actual Felicie pochette, but it's the same envelope, wallet on chain style. And I'm going to show you a video of the unboxing of this bag as well. It's a little bit, just slightly wider than the, let me do it this way. I think that'll be better. It's slightly wider, just a tinge wider than the Felicie pochette. But this bag, as opposed to coming with a chain strap, and you'll see that in my unboxing video, comes with a canvas or guitar strap. It's much thinner than the straps that they're doing now that comes with the Speedy 20s. Those straps are really wide and thick and heavy. This is very thin in width and very thin in weight and much lighter, much nicer. It has that monogram tip to it as opposed to the leather or the Vachetta leather tip. Has the same little, same hooks. And it also comes with a little card case. and you clip the card case, and I'll show you in that video, onto this little guitar strap, and it hangs from the guitar strap, and then the bag is what you put the bag on the end of the strap, of course, of where the handbag is a crossbody. But I loved that it was smaller than the Felicie pochette, still monogram, and I like this strap that it came with because I thought this gave me some versatility. The bag itself has a back pocket there, and it also has 3 little card slots in here as well. It has that, the Louis Vuitton stamp. Where is it? Is it in here? Yeah. You can't see it, but inside that flap, I think I show a little bit better in my video. It says Louis Vuitton made in France. And what I loved about it when I received it from the consignment seller was that it had the actual initial receipt from where the person that bought this and consigned it to her purchased it from. So it had the Louis Vuitton receipt, the actual price. I was able to buy this on time. I paid a deposit to hold it and then paid a couple of other payments until I paid it off. So I didn't have to buy it all at once, which was a win-win for me. And I got it for $500 or $600 less than retail, from less than what the person actually purchased this for. And it was in exceptional condition. I didn't see any scratches on the hardware, no scratches on the snap closure. It's a couple of scratches. I told Thea. It's a couple of scratches on the snap closure. But all of the hardware on the strap looked brand new to me. I didn't see any wear. It really looks like whoever bought this bought it and just changed their mind about it or never really found a use for it. For me, I'm using my mini pochette as my little micro running errands bag. What I do with this is if I'm going to go get gas and go to the grocery store right quick, or I need to go return something at the UPS store, I'll put my longer crossbody chain strap on here, and I'll wear this as a crossbody. It fits my essentials. Right now I have it just as a catch-all because this bag is now going to take the place of me using this. But I would typically put in there my earbuds, some hand sanitizer, a wipe for my glasses, some lipstick, some chapstick, and I'll put that little chain strap on there and run errands. And I wanted something that was more elevated than this because the mini pochette was really designed as a pouch to be a catch-all inside of a larger handbag. And so I wanted to kind of upgrade myself to something a little more elevated, but something just as small as that is. Great part about this one is I couldn't fit my cell phone in this one. I can fit my cell phone in this one. And my phone is an iPhone 14. This is just an extra case for reference purposes. So I really, really wanted to get this to take the place of the mini pochette, more elevated look when I go run errands. And also I could always put that Felicie pochette chain strap on this one, and I could wear this out for an evening if I wanted to. I love that the strap is versatile. I can put this little card case on this if I want to, or I can put my round coin pouch on here if I want to. I actually like the round coin pouch better. And I can use this to house my gift cards or extra credit cards or something. And I can fit those in here, or business cards if I want to, and put this as a little catch-all inside of my larger handbags. So essentially, got this because I wanted to switch out of that mini pochette and do something a little more elevated. And it was a great price, and it was from a trusted consignment seller because I know that this young lady values Louis Vuitton. She's very knowledgeable about the brand, as I mentioned earlier. If you're interested in Louis Vuitton, or you like vintage Louis Vuitton, or you're interested in consignments, check her out because she has a great channel that is very informative. But again, this is just the newest addition to my collection. It wasn't a planned purchase, but when I saw it on her video, I thought that's kind of what I've been wanting, and I think this is going to fit really good into my handbag collection. I'm really right now resonating with smaller bags, as I've mentioned in previous videos, because I don't carry a whole lot. And small bags are really useful for me in my transactional lifestyle. And they are also things that can be elevated to an evening bag if you needed to by just switching out the chain strap. Anyway, just wanted to share with you all my most recent purchase to my handbag collection. I appreciate you if you've watched the video to this point. If you are someone that is new to my channel, welcome. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. It's sincerely appreciated. If you enjoy this kind of content, please give me a thumbs up and drop down in the comment section. Let me know you stopped by. If you're one of my friends that's already subbed to this channel and watch my videos and comment and support me, the support is sincerely appreciated. Thank you so much for letting me know that you've stopped by, that you support my channel, and that you appreciate the type of content I have to offer. And finally, the only other favor I ask of you is that you have an absolutely wonderful